Hello everyone. Today we will discuss ascending and descending order program. Okay, so our aim is to sort a string of a number of bytes in ascending or descending order. Basically in this program we have a string like that. Suppose in this string we store some number like that 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so in this program suppose we arrange this string into ascending order. Then we first compare two digits, and this digit is minimum, then 5, then exchange these numbers. Okay, same operation perform here, compare two numbers, and if this number is lower then swap the digit, again compare two numbers, and this digit is maximum, then swap the digits and again compare two digits. If this number is lower then swap the digit. Okay, so first start. This is your pass number 1. This is your pass number 1. Okay, in the first pass we have some step. In first pass, this is your step number 1. In first step, when we compare 5 and 4, if 4 is lower than 5, then swap the position of 5 and 4. Your string look like that: 4 5 3 2 1. This is your step number 1. Okay, again compare two digits. If 3 is lower than 5, then swap the position of 5 and 3. Your string is appear in this format. Okay, this is your 4 3 5 and 2 and 1, and again compare the 5 and 2. If 2 is lower than 5, then change the position of 5 and 2 and arrange the string. This is your step number 3. After the swap the position of 5 and 2, your string is appear in this format. This is 4 3 5 2 5 1, and again compare 5 and 1. If 1 is lower than 5, then change the position of 1, and this is your step number 4. This is your step number 4. Okay, 4 3 2 1 5. This is your step number 4. At the end of first pass, you get the first highest number, at last your string. Okay, move to the next pass. pass number 2, pass number 2. In pass number 2, copy this string. This is your string. Four, 3, 2, 1 and 5. In first pass, again compare 4 and 3. If 3 is lower than 4, exchange the position of 3 and 4. Your string is appear like that. This is your step number 1. Okay, this is your 3, 4, 2, 1 and 5. Again compare 4 and 2. 2 is lower than 4, then swap the position of 4 and 2, and your string is appear like that. 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. Again compare 4 and 1. If 4 is higher than 1, then swap the position of 4, and your string is appear like that. This is your 3, 2, 1, 4 and 5. This is your step number 1, step number 2, step number 3 and step number 4. And last, compare 4 and 5. 5 is higher, then don't change in your string. 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. Okay, this is your pass number 2. Move to the pass number 3. Copy this string, pass number 3. This is your string. Three, 2, 1, 4 and 5. Again start with first, compare two numbers. Again 2 is lower than 3, swap the position of numbers. This is your 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 4 and 5. This is your step number 1. Step number 2, again compare 3 and 1. If 3 is higher than 1, then we change the position of 3 and 1. 2, 3, 1 is lower, change the position 1, 3, 4, 5. This is your step number 2. Step number 3. In step number 3, again compare 3 and 4. Then 4 is higher, don't change in your string. This is your 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, at the last of first pass, you get in this pass 2, you get the second highest number, and at the last of end of pass 3, you get the third highest number. This is your step number 4. In step number 4, again compare 4 and 5, but 5 is higher than 4, then don't change in your string. 2, 1, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, next move to the next pass. This is your pass number 4. Copy again this string. This is your string. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Compare two numbers. One is lower than 2, change the position. 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is your step number 1. Step number 1. Okay, and compare 2 and 3. So 3 is higher than 2. Don't change in your string. Don't change any number in your string. This is your step number 2. Again, compare 3 and 4. 4 is higher. Don't change in your string. Step number 3. 1 2 3 4 5. Again, compare 4 and 5. This is your step number 4. Step number 4. 1 2 3 4 and 5. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, at the last of fourth pass, you get the your string is arranged in ascending order. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, in the sorting of numbers, here number of passes required is n minus 1. N is your number. Okay, suppose in this string we have a 5 number, so you require 5 minus 1 means 4 number of passes. Okay, suppose if we have a string and it have 6 digit, 6 5 4 3 2 1, then required passes is 6 minus 1, you get 5. If we have a 6 number in our string, then we required number of passes is 5. ओके, बेसिकली किया क्या हमने, सपोज करते हैं हमारे पास क्या है 5 डिजिट्स हैं यहाँ पे, तो अगर मुझे इस स्ट्रिंग असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है तो यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट क्या करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट डिजिट से, फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट को हम कंपेयर करते हैं. ठीक है, अपनी स्ट्रिंग में अगर मेरा राइट वाला डिजिट अगर मेरा लोअर होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, पोजीशन को स्वैप कर देते हैं. फिर से क्या करते हैं, सेकंड स्टेप में फिर से हम अगेन नेक्स्ट वाले डिजिट को कंपेयर करते हैं 5 से, हाईएस्ट नंबर से, जो मेरा फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट नंबर है. फिर अगर ये वाला डिजिट आपका लोअर होगा देन क्या करेंगे, हम स्वैप कर देंगे पोजीशन. अगेन स्टेप नंबर 2 में क्या करेंगे, फिर से हम मेरा जो अभी तक का हाईएस्ट नंबर था उसको कंपेयर करेंगे नेक्स्ट डिजिट से. अगर नेक्स्ट वाला डिजिट भी मेरा लोअर होगा दिस वाले डिजिट से, तो हम क्या करेंगे, अपने डिजिट्स का पोजीशन स्वैप कर देंगे. अगेन इस तरह स्वैप करते हुए जैसे लास्ट में 4th स्टेप था जिसमें आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, फर्स्ट हाईएस्ट नंबर. ठीक है, फिर सेकंड पास में आपको क्या होगा, सेम ऐसे ही कंपैरिजन स्टार्ट करेंगे विथ फर्स्ट 2 नंबर्स, देन सेकंड, फिर थर्ड, फिर आपका क्या होगा एट द लास्ट ऑफ दिस सेकंड पास आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, सेकंड हाईएस्ट नंबर. ठीक है, थर्ड पास में भी फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट से आप स्टार्ट करोगे, देन क्या होगा, आपका थर्ड हाईएस्ट नंबर मिल जाएगा आपको. फोर्थ पास में क्या हो जाएगा, आपका फोर्थ पास के कंप्लीशन में आपका क्या स्ट्रिंग अरेंज हो जाएगा, कैसा, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो number of steps required is number of steps required is again n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 is 4 steps is required in each pass. Okay, Okay, move to the coding part. Okay, start with the first instruction. Our first instruction is move SI comma 1300 H. Okay, mean of this line is your source index is initialized with this address. Okay, next instruction is move CL comma in last bracket write down SI bracket close, means the content of SI move to our CL register. Okay, next instruction is DEC CL. Okay, DEC-CL means decrease your CL register value by 1. Okay, suppose CL register value is 4, it's decreased by 1, means 3. Okay, n minus 1. Okay, next instruction is move SI comma 1300 H. Again the content of your source index is initialized again with this address. Okay, next instruction is move CH comma in last bracket write down SI, means the content of SI is moved to our CH register. Okay, next instruction is DEC CH. Okay, again DEC CH means content of CH register is decreased by 1 value, means n minus 1. Suppose CH register have n number, it's decreased by 1, means n minus 1. Suppose CH register value is 4, its value decreased by 1, updated value is 3. Okay, next instruction is INC SI. Main of INC SI is, in this case your source index address is updated by 1, means suppose your SI have address 1300. After the execution of INC SI, this source index address is increased by 1 value, then updated value is 1301. Okay, next instruction is move AL in last bracket write down SI. After the execution of this instruction, content of SI, means updated value of SI content is move in our AL register. After that write down INC SI, means again update your SI index address. Updated address is, suppose previous address is 1301, then after the execution of INC SI your address is 1302. Okay, next instruction is CMP CMP AL comma SI. Content of SI. CMP instruction. In CMP instruction, content of AL is subtracted with SI or compare with SI. Okay, next instruction is JC. JC means jump if carry. Okay, suppose in this case our carry flag is high, then jump instruction is executed here. After the jump instruction, mark label here. Next instruction is exchange X CHG AL comma SI. After execution of this instruction, content of SI is moved to AL register and AL content move to SI address. Okay, again write down XCHG SI minus 1 comma AL. Again, when we execute this instruction, exchange SI minus 1 comma AL, the content of AL move to SI minus 1 address, and this AL content move to this address, and SI minus 1 content move to our AL register. Next instruction is DEC. DECCH. Okay, and after that next instruction is DECCH means decrease your CH counter register value by 1. Next instruction is JNZ. JNZ means jump if 0. Jump if 0 flag equals to 0, then jump is occur. Next instruction is DECCL. Decrease your counter register value by CL counter register value by 1. Next instruction is J and Z. Jump again if 0 flag is equals to 0. Okay, after that write down HLT. Okay, so start this program by take a simple value. Suppose we take this string and apply this program to this string. Suppose string is 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, suppose you store this string in our 1300H memory location. Basically in this program, in starting we store in the first digit how many number to be counted. Okay, so suppose in this string we have a 1 2 3 4 5. In this string we store first 5, where 5 is indicate number of value presents in our string. In this string it have 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 digits. So in first we write down number of digit present in our string is 5. Okay, when we this is your address, this is your address 1300, this is your address 1301, this is your 1302, this is your 1303, this is your 1302 address, one present 130, sorry 2 3, and this is 4 and 1305. Okay, in 1301 memory location, it content value 5, 1302 is content value 4, 1303 content 3, 1304 content 2, 1305 memory location content value 1. Okay, first when we execute first line, move si comma 1300h, then our source index is initialized with this address. Suppose this is your si. In starting, your si value is suppose 0000. Then when we execute this line, your si value is updated by this value, and updated value is 1300. Okay, and next instruction is mov move cl comma in last bracket write down si, means the content of si. Source index address is 1300 and content of this address is 5. Content of this address is 5. Move to our CL register. Okay, this is your CL register. CL register value is 5. Okay, after the execution of this instruction, next instruction is DECCH. Suppose this is your CL register, this is your CL register, this is your CX, this is your CH, and this is your CL. Okay, after the execution of this instruction, your CL register value is 5. CL register value is 5. Then we move to next instruction, DECCH, means your CH value is decreased by 1. Updated value of CL is 4. Okay, next instruction is again execute mov si comma 1300h. Again you initialize your source index with this address, si indicates this address, and next instruction is move ch comma content of si. Again content of si, your si indicate 1300 and content of this si is 5. Then your ch value is updated by your content of si is 5. Again 5 move to ch register. The value of ch register is updated by 5. Okay, again we execute DECCH, means decrease our counter value, decrease our ch counter register value by 1, means updated value is 4. Okay, in this program, CL indicates number of passes passes, and ch indicate number of steps. Okay, in this case why we decrease our CL value? Because number of passes required is n minus 1, means 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, and also number of steps required is n minus 1, means 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, okay, so DEC-CH means you decrease your counter register CH value by 1, and CH indicates number of steps required in this program. Okay, next instruction is INCSI. INCSI means increase your source index value by 1. In this case our source index indicate 1300 H address. Okay, after the execution of this address this instruction, our SI value is updated. It's 1301. Updated value is 1301 when we execute this instruction. Okay, and next instruction is move AL comma content of SI. Our SI indicate 1301 memory location, and content of this memory location is 5. Memory location is 5. So after the execution of this instruction, 5 value move to our AL register. So AL indicates 0, 5. This is your AX register, this is AH, and this is your AL. After the execution of this instruction, your AL register value is updated by 0, 5. Okay, next instruction is INCSI. Again we update our source index address. Again increase address by 1 value. Updated address is 1302. So next instruction is compare AL comma SI. Content of SI updated value updated address is 1302. In 1302 we have a 4 number. We have a 0, 4 value in this memory location. Okay, 0, 4 in this memory location, and content of AL is 0, 5, and content of AL is 0, 5. When we execute CMP AL comma content of SI, means 0, 5 minus 0, 4 subtracted here. When we subtract 5 minus 4, then our carry flag register status is not high, because when we subtract 5 minus 4, then our carry flag register status is not high, it's 0. Okay, then next instruction is JC, jump if carry. Jump if carry, but in this case no carry is generated. Then you move to next line or next instruction. Next instruction is XCHG AL comma SI, means exchange content of AL with content of SI address. Okay, so in this case, a present value of SI is 4 and present value of AL is 5. After the execution of this instruction, SI content is 0, 5 and AL content is 0, 4. So in this case, this is your AL content is 0. Previous case it's store 0, 5. After the execution it's store 0, 4. Okay, AL store 0, 4 and SI store 0, 5. This is your SI indicate this address. So in this case it's store 0, 5 at 1302 memory location. Okay, next instruction is exchange SI minus 1 comma AL. Means in this string in the memory in this memory location 1301 we have a 5 number, but we get a 4, but we want to 4 here. Then we again exchange the content of AL. This is your content of AL is 4 with this number. Okay, so that's why here we write SI minus 1, because present address is 1302. Then we move to SI minus 1, means we move to AL content with this address 1301. That's why we write here SI minus 1. Okay, after the execution of this step, the content of 1301 is 4, because 4 is moved to this location, and content of SI minus 1 to the AL register. The value of SI minus 1 is 5, move to our AL register. Again AL value is updated by 0, 5. Okay, next instruction is DEC CH. Means your first step is completed here. That's why we decrease our counter register CH by 1. Updated value of CH is 0, 3 after the completion of this step. 0, 3. Next instruction is JNZ, jump if 0 flag is high, but in this case our 0 flag is not high. Okay, that's why in this case JNZ, in this case, okay, in this case our JF value is indicate JF equals to 0. That's why jump is occur. Okay, then we move to mark label. Mark label is mark label here loop 2. Okay, this is your label indicate. First mark the labels. This is your loop 3, and this is your loop 2, and this is your loop 1, this is your loop 1, and mark loop here. This is your loop 1, and this is your loop 2, and this is your loop 3. Okay, in this case in this case JF value indicates 0, then our pointer move to marked label. Marked label is loop 2. So this is your move AL comma in bracket SI. Okay, again in this case SI indicates 1302 source index. Okay, this source and SI indicates this address. The content of this address is 05. The content of this address is 05. After the execution of this instruction, 05 move to AL register. Okay, and again we increase our SI value by 1. So updated value of SI is 1303. Okay, and 1303 indicates 03 number. Okay, next instruction is compare AL comma content of SI. Content of SI is 0, 3, and content of AL is 0, 5. Content of AL is 0, 5. Again this is your AL and this is your content of SI. Content of SI is 0, 4. Again 5 minus 4, your carry flag status is again not high. Okay, no carry generated. So jump if carry, but in this case carry flag status is 0, then don't jump occur here. Next instruction is again, and when this instruction fail, we move to next instruction is exchange content of AL to SI. Okay, content of SI is 03 and content of AL is 04. After the execution of this instruction, content of SI is 0, 5 and content of AL is 0, 3. Okay, so SI indicates 1303. The value of 1303 is 5, and AL value and AL register updated with 0, 3. Okay, next instruction is exchange SI minus 1 comma AL. Content of AL is 0, 3 and SI minus 1 means your SI indicate 1303 minus 1 means 1302 content replaced by AL. AL content is 03 and 1302 content is 05. Then after the execution of this instruction, the content of 1302 replaced by AL content means 1302 replaced by AL content is 03, means it's replaced by 03, and content of AL replaced by 1302 means 0 5. Okay, next instruction is DECCH, means our second step is completed here. That's why we decrease our CH counter register by one value. Updated value is 0 2. Okay, again move to next instruction. Next instruction is JNZ. In this case, it's check the value of CH counter register. Here counter register have a some number, that's why our 0 flag is not indicate 0. Then 0 flag don't show equals to 0, it's have some value. Then jump is occur. Okay, in this case our CH value is some value 0 2. Then our 0 flag is not high, that's why jump to mark label. Mark label is loop 2. Again move to this level. In this level again our SI indicate address is 1303. Our SI indicates this address 1303, and content of 1303 is again 0 5. Okay, 0 5 move to our AL register, and again we update our source index with one value, means updated value is 1304, and in this memory location 1304 we store 0 2, and content of AL is 0 5. Again 5 content of AL is 0 5 subtracted with SI is 0 2. Again your carry flag is not high, your carry flag is indicates 0, means not high. Then jump carry, if carry instruction is not executed here, move to next instruction. Then we exchange the value. SI value is 0 2 and AL value is 0 5. After the execution of this step, SI value is 0 5 and AL value is 0 2. Okay, so SI value is 0 5 and AL value is 0 2. Again we update this address value by AL content. AL content is 0 2. After the execution of this step, this is your this indicates 1304 minus 1 is 1303. The content of 1303 replaced by AL content. AL content is 0 2. Okay, again our next step is completed here, that's why we decrease our counter value by 1. Updated value is 0 1. Okay, again our 0 flag indicates 0, means jump to mark label. Mark label is this, and again this step is happened, and after the execution of this step, here it indicates 0 1 and this indicates 0 5. Okay, when move to the last step for pass 1, our CH value is decreased by 0 0. Then CH indicates 0 0. Then our 0 flag is 0 flag indicates 1. 0 flag indicates 1 means move this instruction is not run and move to this instruction means DECCH. DECCH means decrease our counter register CL by 1 means it's updated with 0 3. Okay, means your first pass is completed here. Move to this location again, update your SI index with 1300H value, and content of 1300H is 05. Move to our CH register. 05 move to our CH register, and next instruction is DECCH means update our counter registers CH register by 5 and update our CH register by decrease our CH register value by 1 means 0 4, and INCSI means increase our source index address by 1 means 1301. Then again execute this instruction, and at the completed of the second pass you get the second highest number, and after the last pass and the end of the passes you get you arrange your string like a ascending order. Okay, बेसिकली करना क्या होता है इस प्रोग्राम में, यहाँ पे जो आपका CX रजिस्टर है, CH इंडिकेट करता है नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स एंड CL इंडिकेट करते हैं नंबर ऑफ पासेस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया है, फर्स्ट मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया है SI फर्स्ट जो आपका एड्रेस लिखा हुआ है 1300, वहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, नंबर स्टोर किया है कि कितने नंबर मेरे प्रेजेंट है स्ट्रिंग में, वो नंबर मैंने स्टोर कर दिया है, उसको मैंने CL में भेज दिया है. ठीक है, 5 नंबर मैंने CL में भेजा. फिर मुझे क्या करना था, n-1 करना था, दैट्स वाई मैंने क्या किया, डिक्रीज़ कर दिया CL की वैल्यू बाई 1. फिर मैंने क्या किया, मूव SI 1300H, मुझे क्या करना है, नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स को भी चलाना है. ठीक है, तो मैंने क्या किया, अगेन 05 को मैंने CH में भेज दिया है. ठीक है, फिर अगेन मुझे क्या करना था, n-1, तो मैंने क्या किया, DECCH. ठीक है, फिर से अब क्या करना है, मुझे नंबर्स पे आना है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट नंबर पे आना है, तो मैंने क्या किया, INCSI मीन्स अपना सोर्स इंडेक्स का एड्रेस अपडेट कर दिया है. देन मैंने क्या किया, कंटेंट ऑफ सोर्स इंडेक्स को मैंने AL पे भेज दिया है. ठीक है, फिर सोर्स इंडेक्स का एड्रेस मैंने फिर से अगेन क्या किया, अपडेट कर दिया है. सेकेंड नंबर मैंने अपडेट बाई 1 कर दिया है, तो ये कहाँ इंडिकेट कर रहा है, 1302. ठीक है, मैंने डायरेक्टली क्या किया, कंटेंट ऑफ SI मीन्स दिस नंबर को मैंने क्या किया है, 1000 AL रजिस्टर. ठीक है, AL रजिस्टर में डायरेक्टली क्या कर दिया, कंपेयर. ठीक है, इस प्रोग्राम में मुझे असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अगर मुझे नंबर प्लेस करना होगा तो एटलीस्ट 1 नंबर को मुझे रजिस्टर में क्या करना होगा, मूव करना होगा. ठीक है, फिर से मैंने क्या किया है, यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन करके फाइंड आउट किया है कि विच नंबर इज़ विच गेस्ट. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे मुझे पता चला कि 2 लोअर था, 5 हायर था, तो मैंने क्या किया, लोकेशन स्वैप कर दिया है. ठीक है, लोकेशन स्वैप करने के बाद ठीक है, अब AL का कंटेंट मुझे फिर से कहाँ भेजना पड़ेगा, फर्स्ट लोकेशन पे, इसीलिए मैंने क्या लिखा, SI-1. फिर यहाँ क्या हुआ, आपका कंटेंट ऑफ AL. कंटेंट ऑफ AL मीन्स क्या था, जो 5 था वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आ गया, और जो आपका क्या था, जो आपका 4 था वो कहाँ आ गया, 5 के लोकेशन पे, और 5 कहाँ आ गया, 4 के लोकेशन पे. ठीक है, फिर मैंने क्या किया, DECCH मैंने काउंटर रजिस्टर को डिक्रीज़ कर दिया बाई 1. ठीक है, मीन्स कि 1 स्टेप आपका कंप्लीट हो गया. फिर J and Z मीन्स जंप इफ़ 0 फ्लैग इक्वल्स टू 0 मीन्स अभी यहाँ पे कोई वैल्यू है आपके CH रजिस्टर में, तो 0 फ्लैग क्या इंडिकेट करेगा, 0 हाई नहीं होगा, तो फिर आपका क्या होगा, ये जंप इंस्ट्रक्शन एग्जीक्यूट करेगा और मार्क लेवल पे आप क्या करोगे, मूव कर जाओगे. ठीक है, ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट स्टेप कंप्लीट। ठीक है, इसी तरह आपका सेकेंड स्टेप कंप्लीट होगा। सेकेंड स्टेप में आपका 5 इस 3 की लोकेशन पे आ जाएगा। ठीक है, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था। इसी तरह क्या होगा, आपका पासेस चलेंगे और लास्ट में क्या हो जाएगा, आपका स्ट्रिंग अरेंज हो जाएगा हायर ऑर्डर में। ठीक है, ओके, मूव टू सॉफ्टवेयर पार्ट, क्लोज दिस and open software. This is your EMU8086. Click on new, select empty workspace, hit OK, write the program. Next instruction is move CL comma large bracket, write down SI, hit close, press enter key. Next instruction is DECCL, press enter key, mark the loop 3. Next instruction is MOV move SI comma 1300H, press enter key. Next instruction is move CH comma content of SI. Next instruction is DECCH, decrease your CH register value by 1. Next instruction is INC SI, press enter key. Next, mark the loop 2. Move AL comma in large bracket, write down SI, bracket close, press enter key. Next instruction is INC SI, press enter key. Next instruction is CMP AL comma SI, press enter key. Next instruction is JC, jump if carry, mark the label is loop 1, press enter key. Next instruction is XCHG exchange AL comma content of SI, press enter key. Again write down XCHG SI -1 comma AL, press enter key, mark the next loop 1, write down DECCH, press enter key. Next instruction is JNZ, loop 2, press enter key. Next instruction is DECCL, press enter key. Next instruction is JNZ, loop 3, press enter key, write down HLT. Okay, and click on emulate. Okay, Okay, click on emulate and click on view, select memory, update our offset address is 1300, click on update. In first address we store n is 5 in this case, and after that this is your, this indicates n, and this indicates number like 05, 04, 03, 02, 01. Okay, this is your 5 digits stored in this place. Okay, 05, 05, 04, 03, 02, 01. Okay, and click on update. This is your updated string. Okay, and minimize this window. Okay, this is your original code. On flag status, check one by one. This is your first instruction, move SI comma 1300H, means your SI address updated with this address is, present time its address is 000, updated with this address 1300H. Click on single step, check this 1300. Okay, next instruction is move content of SI to CL. SI indicate this address and content of this address is 0505, move to our CL register. ठीक है, this is your CL register. In present time our CL register value is 0. After the execution of this instruction, CL register updated with 05. Okay, CL register updated with 05. Next instruction is again move SI comma 1300H. Again update our SI index. Click on single step, SI addresses. Okay, and next here move SI comma CL, move CL comma SI, content of SI. After that next instruction is DECCH. DECCH means decrease our counter register by 1. In previous case CH indicates 05. After the execution of DECCL your counter register CL value is decreased by 1. It shows present value is 04. Again next instruction is move SI comma 1300H, means your SI address is again updated with this address. Okay, previous address is same, so no change in your address. Next instruction is move CH comma SI. This is your CL is your CL indicates number of passes and CH indicates number of steps. Here we start our steps. Here CH counter register initialize with SI content. SI content is 05, and again decrease our CH value by 1, means number of steps required is 4. That's why CH value is decreased by 1, 04. Next instruction is move AL comma SI. Okay, move AL comma SI means again we increase. Next instruction is INC SI, means increase our source index value by 1. In this case our source index indicates 1300. When we execute this instruction our SI indicates 1301. Okay, it indicates 1301. Next instruction is move AL comma SI. Content of SI is 05. Move to our AL register, This is our AL register. Present time it indicates 00. After the execution of this step, AL indicates 05. Okay, AL indicates 05. Again, increase our source index address. That's why we write down INCSI. After the increment in our SI, value is 1302. 1302 indicates 04. Okay, next instruction is CMP AL comma SI, means AL minus SI content. AL is 5 and SI indicates 04. 5 minus 4, our carry flag is not high. Then JC instruction not executed here. Move to next line. Okay, carry flag 0, because if carry flag is 0 means AL content is higher than SI. Jump carry is, next instruction is jump carry, and CF is 0 here. Jump carry is not executed. Move to next line. Next line is exchange AL comma SI. Content of AL is 5 and content of SI is 04. After the execution of this step, 04 is replaced by 05. Okay, 04 is replaced by 05. Okay, and AL content replaced by 04. Okay, next instruction is exchange SI minus 1 minus AL, means content of AL is 04. Move to this memory location. Okay, that's why we here we write SI minus 1 comma AL. Click on single step. This is your 04. Okay, next instruction is DECCH. Our first pass is completed here. In this case our first step is completed here. That's why we decrease our CH value by 1. Our CH value is 04. After the execution of first step, we decrease our value of CH. Click on single step. Value is updated with 03. J and Z is executed here because 0 flag shows 0. Then move to mark level, loop 2, jump to this level, and next instruction is move AL comma content of SI. SI indicates in this case SI indicate 1302 and content of SI is, this is your 1300, 1301, 1302, means 1302 content 05. Move to our AL register. Our AL register is already 05, then no change in our AL register value. Click on single step. No change in our AL register value. Next instruction is INCSI. Increase our SI value by 1. Updated value is 03. 03. Next instruction is compare AL comma SI. AL is 05. AL is 05 and SI indicates 1303. 1303 is 03. This is your 1303 content. Our carry flag is not high in this case. it indicates 0, means content of AL is greater than content of SI, then jump carry instruction is not executed here. We swap the values here we swap the values. Content of SI is exchange AL comma SI. Content of SI is in this case 03 and content of AL is 05. So in this case 03 replaced by 05, 03 and 0, here 05 and here 03. Check the value. Okay, zero 3 and 05. Okay, next instruction is exchange this exchange AL content with previous address. That's why right here SI minus 1 comma AL. After the execution of this step, this address value is replaced by 03 because content of AL is 03 and 05. Okay, run single step. Okay, exchange with 03 and again DECCH because our second step is completed here. That's why we decrease our CH value by 1. Okay, CH value decreased by 1 and next step is J and Z. Our 0 flag is not this indicates 0, that's why it's moved to mark level. Again we increase up to, suppose in this case CH indicates 00 and our 0 flag is high, then move then J and Z instruction is not executed here. Move to next instruction. Next instruction is DECCL. Move to DECCL line and DECCL decrease our CL register value by 1. Updated value is 03. J and Z 0 flag register is indicates 0, then loop 3 is executed here. Pointer move to mark label is loop 3. Move to this label and again initialize our step counter. Update our source index by 1300 and content of 1300 is 5. Move to our CH register and after that decrease this CH register value by 1 and again compare and again start compare with first two number, and at the last of this program your string is arranged in ascending order. Okay, for descending order in this program, simple chain, compare first, exchange the position of AL and SI. You get you arrange your string in decrement order like that. SI minus SI comma AL. Click on emulate and update the number 05, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. Click on update and run. Okay, your string is arranged on descending order. Second step is change jump carry to jump if not carry. J and C. For arrange string in decrement order 05, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. Click on update, click on run. Your string arrange in and change this position to previous one. Okay, click on emulate 05, 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. Click on update and run this program. You get short string in descending order.